Okay, so in a previous episode, I did a review on the Milwaukee portable bandsaw, and I've been using that for the last few months, and it came with one blade, but that blade broke the other night, so I had to order some replacement blades. I didn't know what size to get initially, so I got back onto Amazon where I had originally purchased the bandsaw from to figure out what size it was, and I came across the two most purchased items that people got along with the bandsaw, and there was a 3-pack of Milwaukee blades, but those didn't have the TPI listed with them, and then there was a 5-pack of Lennox brand blades, which the TPI was listed at 24, was the most popular one bought. I wound up going with the 18 because I'm wanting to use these for both steel and for aluminum, and the Lennox was also cheaper than the Milwaukee. And so this review is going to be about those Lennox brand 18 TPI portable bandsaw blades. Now, as you can see here, I've gone and pulled up my previous purchase on Amazon to show you the exact blades that I had ordered, but it no longer has the price listed for it. I don't know if I got the last one from this dealer, but I had paid $27.99 for them. And now, when I go to look at the options available, the price they're trying to sell these for from other potential vendors is almost double that. And I don't remember it saying that I got the last one in stock or anything, but I cannot find the same thing I ordered for the price that I paid, and this has only been a couple of days. Now, I do believe that previously mentioned 3-pack of Milwaukee blades that did not have the TPI listed for only cost about $5 more than what I had paid for these originally. So I think they were for like $32.99. But like I said, they were missing some of the specs on there to know exactly what I was buying. But in hindsight, I made the wrong call, and I went with the Lennox, and I probably should have gone with the Milwaukee, because now that I have received the Lennox and tried them out, I am not getting nearly as good of results as I was getting from that one blade that came with the Milwaukee bandsaw originally. And I'm not even sure what TPI that one was, but it cut so much faster and so much better than these Lennox are working. Like they're taking almost twice as long to cut through aluminum. I haven't even tried them on steel yet, and here in a second I'm going to show y'all some footage of me cutting some aluminum stock with these particular blades, and you'll see that I adjust the speed halfway through trying to see how much it affects it, but either way it's taken a lot longer than it should be taken. They're not nearly as good as the Milwaukee blades, and I do believe that I saw somewhere that the Milwaukee blades are made from stainless steel, whereas these Lennox brand blades, I can't recall the exact alloy, but I know it wasn't stainless. And so just take a look at me trying to cut through this aluminum stock and see what you think about it. But for anyone out there, go ahead and pay the few extra bucks and get the Milwaukee brand blades, and don't mess around with these.
They're won by factories.